wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 9 best Harry Potter box sets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9, the Hogwarts Library expands on the stories found in the main series, making it perfect for anyone who can't get enough of the characters. It contains 3 vividly colored books teeming with tales, facts, and details about various elements of the wizarding world. It includes an introduction by J.K. Rowling, and a portion of the proceeds go to charity, but note that it doesn't include any of the novels. At number 8, whether you're a Gryffindor or Slytherin, the Juniper Books Harry Potter Custom offers a great way to show where your loyalties lie. It encompasses the entire series in their American hardback editions, accompanied by thoughtfully designed dust jackets in house colors. It comes packaged in a keepsake box and features high-quality soft matte prints. However, it is much pricier than comparable sets. At number 7, Harry Potter The Illustrated Collection comes unsurprisingly with the illustrated versions of the first 3 entries in the series. With full-color art brimming with rich detail on many pages, it brings the story to life for both newbies and devoted fans. There's a ribbon bookmark in each volume, and it features depictions of secondary characters, but it is missing the final 4 bestsellers. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Harry Potter box sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 6, ideal for those who want to read the series multiple times, the Harry Potter hardcover has lush textured dust jackets featuring great detail and is printed on high-quality paper. Unfortunately, the container is made of rather flimsy folded cardboard. It comes with bonus decorative stickers and a Hogwarts postcard. However, the latch breaks very easily. Moving up our list to number 5. Grown-up fans will appreciate the Harry Potter Adult Edition for its elegant artwork by Andrew Davidson, which is geared toward a mature readership. These stay true to the original British publications, but with updated interiors and stylish covers. They boast modern typography as well, and quotes from the main characters on the backs, along with charming artistic details within. At number 4, it's hard to believe it's been over 2 decades since we were first introduced to the series, but the Harry Potter 20th anniversary makes for a beautiful stroll down memory lane. Designed by an award-winning illustrator, you'll see the wizarding world with fresh eyes. This one's perfect for collectors and includes an homage to Voldemort. It features intricate pen and ink drawing covers. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the spines in the Harry Potter Special Edition form an image of Hogwarts when placed next to each other in order, making it an attractive addition to a library. The illustrations by Kazu Kibushi will appeal to those with an artistic sensibility. The artwork is suitable for mature readers, and these aren't prone to creasing. It takes up little space on a shelf. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Harry Potter box sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if you want to acquire the entire collection for a very affordable price, the Harry Potter paperback is great value for the money. The box is surprisingly sturdy and could last for a long time with proper care. These novels feature the original American covers. This is a good introductory set and comes with strong bindings. It's the perfect size to take traveling. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the classic Harry Potter series contains high-quality editions with detailed covers and striking designs. The exterior of the box features a Gryffindor-worthy combination of red and gold hues. This boasts a sturdy and durable container with an embossed dragon motif and a magnetic closure. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Harry Potter box sets, or simply click beneath this video.